Lover.
There's a quick pop from Taylor Swift's new music video, Lover. It came out Thursday. Her new album with the same name dropped at midnight on Friday. Jam-packed with so many Easter eggs that we're going to be talking about a little later in the show. We're mulling it all over, line for line. The much-anticipated album even got record exec Scooter Braun's attention. He praised Taylor weeks after their feud over his purchase of her former label. He congratulated Taylor on Twitter, calling the album brilliant. The release of Lover comes after weeks of drama between Scooter and Taylor. In late June, the musician wrote a scathing note following the announcement of Scooter and Scott Borchetta's $300 million deal that saw Scooter taking control of Taylor's music catalog. Taylor accused Scooter of manipulative bullying over the years, and the weeks following became one big he said, she said that we followed very closely. However, in a clip of an interview with CBS Sunday Morning, Taylor revealed she absolutely will re-record her first 6 albums to regain control over her masters. Pretty surprising move to many people, including me. During Taylor's appearance on Good Morning America with Robin Roberts on Thursday, Taylor explained that she was especially proud of this particular record because it's the first album that she's ever owned. The album is complete with touching tributes to her boyfriend Joe Alwyn and a heartbreaking song about her mom Andrea's battle with cancer. Taylor also appears as Vogue's September issue cover star. She tells the mag how Lover feels like a new beginning, and she adds, "This album is really a love letter to love in all of its maddening, passionate, exciting, enchanting, horrific, tragic, wonderful glory." Lover is, of course, out now.